Greetings and welcome to STEM Smart Academy. I'm going to take you through a question that involves solving simultaneous equations using the matrix method. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also contact us via the number shown above. So the question is, use matrix method to solve the simultaneous equations 2x plus y is equals to 10 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 14. Remember, we have other methods of solving equations like elimination method, substitution method, graphical method, but this one is strictly tying us to use of what is called the matrix method. So here you don't have to use any other method other than the one that the question has prescribed. So first of all, these are linear equations. We are going to write what is called a matrix equation. Matrix equation here will be 2, 1, 2, 2, xy is equal to 10, 14. This is what is called a matrix equation. Step number 2, we are going to get what is called the determinant, which is 2 times 2 minus 2 times 1. That's like saying 4 minus 2, which is 2. Then we are going to get the inverse. To get the inverse, you take 1 over the determinant. So that will be 1 over 2 into the elements in the main diagonal interchange and the minor diagonal get negated. And this now will become, when you do a half, when you multiply each by a half, this will become 1, negative 0.5, negative 0.5, 1. Then this is our inverse matrix. After getting the inverse matrix, you are going to pre-multiply the inverse matrix on both sides of the equal sign. So let's pre-multiply the inverse matrix on both sides of our equal sign. That means we are going to have, to pre-multiply means you start with the inverse matrix first. 1, negative 0.5, then negative 0.51. On the left we had 2212 xy being equivalent to the inverse matrix, that is 1, negative 0.5, then negative 0.51 being multiplied by 10, 14 on the right. So when you multiply the inverse matrix times the matrix itself, you're going to get what is called an identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 xy being equal to, hope you remember how to multiply. It's normally row times column. So this is going to give you that is 1 times 10 plus negative 0.5 times 14. This is going to give you 3. Then in the next one we have negative 0.5 times 10 plus 1 times 14. This is going to give you 9. So when you have that way, this means that xy is equals to 3, 9. And this clearly tells you that the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to 9. By doing that like that, you would have solved a system of equations using the matrix method. You would have solved it using what we call the matrix method.